Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last video we have to discuss about electricity. Electricity is a electrical energy. It is coming from the power stations through the electric charge carriers. Electric charge carriers means electrons. That is my previous video lecture. Charges are basically two types: positive charge, negative charge. The properties of the charges are two types. First property is additivity charge and quantization of the charge. That is my previous video lecture. In this video lecture, I am going to explain current. So what is meant by current? The rate of flow of electron with respect to time passing through the conductor is called current. So the rate of flow of electrons with respect to time. So flow of the electrons in a conductor with respect to time is called current. So when a conductor, some electrons are flowing into that conductor with respect to time, we are taking that quantity as a current. I equal to flow of electrons by time. So flow of electrons is charge. Time we have to take in case of seconds. So current is denoted by letter capital I equal to charge capital Q by time small t, where Q is charge, T is time. According to quantization of charge, it is a property. It is already discussed in my previous video lecture. So quantization of energy Q equal to Ne. I equal to Q means Q equal to Ne, substitute Q equal to Ne. I equal to the formula is Ne by T. So what is the units of the current? So SI units of the current is ampere. 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb of charge is passing through conductor with respect to 1 second. So that is the current. So next topic, open your NCERT textbook, page number 200. In the textbook, page number 200, the intextual questions are there. Please watch that intextual questions. First question, question number 1. What does an electric circuit mean? So this is a circuit. This is a circuit. Battery, plug key, bulb, ammeter. So bulb positive is connected to battery terminal positive, and bulb negative is connected to positive terminal of the ammeter. Negative terminal of the ammeter is connected to plug key, one terminal, and another terminal of the plug key is connected to negative terminal of the battery. So this is a circuit. What is the use of the circuit means it is a path of the flow of electrons in a circuit. So electric circuit is a continuous and closed electrical path. So circuit is a closed path of an electric current. In that closed path, electric current can be flows with the help of electric charges. So in this circuit, what is the direction of the current? I am already mentioning the diagram. Current I is flowing through the battery terminal positive to one terminal of the bulb. And what is the direction of the flow of electric charges? The direction of flow of electric charges is opposite to the direction of flow of electric current. So negative terminal of the battery to one terminal of the bulb to positive terminal of the battery. So I hope you understand this circuit diagram. Question number 2. Define the unit current. So generally unit current means what is the units of the current? I equal to 1 ampere. That is unit current means 1 ampere. How to define the 1 unit ampere is 1 ampere. The formula of the current I equal to Q by T. I equal to Q by T. Q means charge, T means time. Q. 1 coulomb of charge is flowing through the circuit with respect to 1 second. So that is 1 unit, 1 ampere. So unit of the current is ampere. If 1 coulomb of charge flows through the any section of a conductor in the 1 second, then the current flow through it is called 1 ampere. That is the formula. I equal to Q by T. 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb charge second inverse. So question number 3. Calculate the number of electrons consisted of 1 coulomb charge. So it is a very important problem. How many electrons consists of a 1 coulomb charge? So for solving of these questions, I am using the according to quantization of the charge. It is one of the principle of the charges. So second principle of the second properties of the charges, quantization of charge Q equal to Ne, where N is number of N equal to 1, 2, 3 and E equal to charge of the electron 1.6 into 10 to the power of 19. So Q equal to Ne. I want to N value N equal to Q by E 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power of 19 minus 19. So total answer 6.25 into 10 to the power of 18. Electric potential. Next topic. Electric potential means amount of work done is bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to a given point. So I am taking one positive charge. This is the one positive charge. Is coming from the infinity distance to A with some work done. So it is coming from the infinity distance to at a point A, that is called electric potential energy. SI unit volt. Representation V equal to work done by charge. Work done is denoted by letter capital W. Charge is denoted by letter capital Q. V equal to W by Q. So define 1 volt. 1 volt equal to work done by charge. What is the units of the work done is joule. 1 joule of work done for the 1 coulomb of charge. It is called 1 volt. Potential difference. So potential difference, I am taking a one charge. If the charge is moving from A to B or B to A. So at a point A, potential difference is VA. At a point B, potential difference is B. The amount of work done is moving charge from one given point to another given point. Suppose plus Q is a charge, is moving from B to A, means point B to point A. So difference of the potential difference is VB minus VA, or if the charge is moving from A to B, VA minus VB equal to work done by charge. Work done is denoted by letter W. Charge is denoted by letter Q or capital Q. the amount of the work done in moving of charge from one given point to another given point, that is called electric potential difference. So I hope you are understanding this video lecture. If you are not seeing my first video, please to watch my first video and then continue this lecture. Okay, thank you.